Yo gents, welcome to another trade recap. Let's just crack open this Goy coffee. It is definitely Goy, but it's just easy. I've literally got a coffee machine, like a proper one with the beans and stuff downstairs, but this is easier. Right, yesterday we took a losing trade on EurUsd on the hybrid model, so I'm going to break it down. Of course, we are banging through these trade recaps. Every single trade that we take that I can be asked to film, we're going to fucking film, okay? So let's get into it. So EurUsd yesterday, obviously this was on the hybrid. So on the hybrid, we're looking at the daily, 4 hour and 1 hour. So let's get into it. Daily time frame. Boom, I'm actually going to have to hit a little replay on this bitch. Bro, I hate it when you change the time frame and it just does this. Like, it just fuck off, man. Okay, replay mode. Let's get rid of that candle. Okay, so daily time frame, obviously looking at the previous 5 candlesticks, not including this currently open one. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, opened here, closed here, going to be bearish on the day. So if we go to the 4 hour time frame now. Now for the 4 hour, bro, we've been bearish since up here. So nothing has changed obviously since then. We still have not changed. As of right now, we've had a bit of a push higher, but that is irrelevant. And if we go to the 1 hour, this was, at the time, it was here. Oh yeah, it was 8 AM. So this is where we previously were. If we just, the replay mode's being gay. Right. So the 1 hour, again, we were bearish, okay? If I take a trade, then obviously they're all going to be aligned. So the 1 hour is bearish. We had not changed to the upside. However, now we are still bearish, but we could change to the upside soon. This is now Tuesday. This trade was actually from Monday, the 19th of Jan. Let's hit a leg up on this bitch. So if we go into, we'll break down what we're looking for on the day. Okay, so straight away, we know that we're going to be bearish. So we're waiting for a sweep of previous session highs, which were here, Asian highs. However, within London session, so you need to mark out your session times. But if you are watching this video, you probably know the game, okay? So the first step is you're going to need to mark out session times, midnight, 8 AM, 1 PM. And then due to the fact that we are bearish, we're going to be waiting for a sweep of Asian highs. However, we did not get that sweep. As you can see, we kind of just chopped around, pushed a bit lower. We did not sweep Asian highs within London session, but coming into New York session, that meant that we could look for a sweep of London highs, which were right here. Obviously, we're just looking to see if we do get a sweep of that, or just see if we push higher. Boom, swept those London highs right there. And then that allowed us to be able to draw the fake out zone. So if I just go back a candle, then once we've got the sweep and we get the first bearish candle, that means that now I can look for the fake out. So the fake out is basically a run on stop. So I want to see price sweep the level, move down in line with bias, and then push back higher in order to take out any traders who might have gone in too early, okay? Just stops you from getting fake break of structures. So for me, in order to catch that, I need to draw the fib from the previous session low. It's the highest point after the sweep, so it would have been right there. And as you can see, we get that first bearish candle. And for me now, I just want to see price tap back into this zone. And we smash through it, which is perfect. So for me now, the next step was a break of structure. And we didn't get this for a while, so let's just hit this one. But how's everyone's day going? Yeah, I'm having a sip of coffee. Okay. We've gone past it, but that's fine. Cool, so once we get the fake out, we do not need a 15-minute break of structure, we only need a 5-minute break of structure. So that's, all that means is we need candle body closure below a fractal low, which we get right here, below this fractal low, meaning that I have that confirmation that we're gonna move in the direction of my bias, and we have that checked off the checklist, mate. So now I just need to be able to catch a retrace, so it's same as always, fib tool from the highest point after the sweep to the lowest point after the break, and then my limits always go on the 0.618. So we actually got tagged in right here. And again, this was only taken on hybrid accounts. It was a loss, but that's completely fine. You know your probabilities, you know the game. That's how it goes. Okay, so as you can see here, tapped in, bit of drawdown, came in profit, boom, and then SL. Okay, that is the trade recapped, mate. There's not much more to say. Obviously, you're not going to take a win every single time. We had 2 back-to-back wins on Ord. I only took one of them because I was being retarded filming a video like this. I need to get off replay mode before I miss another win. But that is the game. At the end of the day, you're not going to win every single trade. You just got to be patient, stay stoic. You got to be like Suraj, stoic Suraj. Shout out Suraj. You might be watching this, G. If you are, I want to see you in the comments. But that's everything. I'll get back to you boys in the next trade recap. Peace.